Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. Mercedes-Benz Stadium. The Mercedes-Benz Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium located in Atlanta, Georgia. One of the main attractions of the stadium is the world's largest video board, as attested by the Guinness World Records. It measures a staggering 62,350 square feet and is one of just 5 stadiums in the entire NFL with a retractable roof. It cost an amazing $1.6 billion to construct in June 2016, and it features a series of 8 triangular patterns that wrap the stadium and move in unison along individual tracks. The effect of this is a camera aperture when it closes, and additional effects such as the exterior lighting and a 360-degree HD halo video board built into the roof, which offers fans clear views from any part of the stadium that completes the picture. The stadium was said to have been inspired by the shape of a falcon's wing, and it has a capacity of 83,000 seats. I don't think the stadium is up for purchase, but you can certainly try. Brew. One of the disadvantages of civilization is that we're always in a hurry. As a result of this, even the smallest unit of our time is precious, and we can't afford to waste it on less important tasks. Brew is an automatic tea machine that works in a simple yet effective manner. All you have to do is fill with water and another container with tea leaves or bags. Then select the desired temperature and the brewing time. Now, wait a couple of seconds to receive your freshly brewed, perfectly made tea in whatever quantity with the least amount of effort. Maintain the brew tea maker with clearing with water and detergent after each use, and it would serve you for a very long time. You can purchase this time-saving machine at prices starting from $170. Gyroor C2. The Gyroor C2 solves the problem with small vehicles that we didn't even know existed. It has been discovered that one of the problems associated with small vehicles occurs because they are often not compact enough. The C2 solves this problem by being a very compact folding electric bicycle with a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. It is an ideal means of transportation for both adults and children alike, and it has the option of being electrical powered with a single charge lasting about 35 kilometers. The C2 can be folded when not in use and stored in the trunk of your car. You can purchase this portable electric bike at prices starting from $800. BeBird A2. The BeBird A2 is a device that helps you maintain your personal hygiene. It is a small portable ear cleaner that serves as a marked improvement over the more traditional cotton swabs. Aside from convenience, the A2 also excels in the area of safety, as it can be used without damaging, as it is very manageable, just 13 millimeters in size. It has a special adherent surface that helps collect dirt from all the surfaces it comes in contact with, as well as a camera that helps transmit the images in your ear to your phone in high definition. This gives you an intimate look into the functioning of your ear and can help you spot medical issues before they get complicated. This entire set comes with 15 additional accessories, and you can purchase the device at prices starting from $96. SolarCity. One of the main drawbacks of living in an urban environment is the constant requirement to pay for electricity. This is doubly annoying because of the cost, as well as the fact that the electricity we're paying for wasn't sourced in an environmentally friendly manner. SolarCity takes care of both complaints, as it is an American subsidiary of the noted company Tesla. It specializes in the design and installation of solar power systems like you'll see in the video. The installation of solar panels on your roof can help provide clean, cheap energy that removes the shackles of paying energy companies from your limbs. It is your energy harnessed from the sun and is totally healthy to the environment. Lanmodo Pro. The Lanmodo Pro is the world's first 4-season automatic car tent. It offers vehicle protection, portable power source, and travel shelter in one complete and easy-to-use package. Setup has been described as taking as little as 30 seconds, and the device itself is constructed with an innovative 3-layer PU silver-coated technology, which protects from bird drops, dust, acid rain, and is incredibly easy to clean. It works well in every environment, and even protects you on a snowy day with its automatic shaking snow system. It makes use of high-strength fiberglass and tough materials to protect your car from falling objects. And as an added bonus, provides a space for you to charge your phone. Underground fridge. The underground fridge is simply perfect for those who don't really like staying indoors, and instead spend a lot of time in the backyard. It is a simple installation that was made in Germany, and it features a durable plastic tube which has been sealed at one end, as well as an ingenious lifting system to lift your beer bottles from the ground. The underground fridge blends into the environment, and because of its position, your drinks will always be cold. For maximum enjoyment, it is recommended to install your underground fridge near your barbecue. Although the size of the fridge may vary, the average-sized underground fridge can hold up to 15 bottles of drinks. MamaRoo. Parenting can be difficult sometimes. One of the most difficult tasks in parenthood is putting your child to sleep, especially when they are feeling a bit fussy. The MamaRoo saves you all that stress, as it is an invention from the American company 4Moms, designed for the express purpose of automatically softly rocking your baby to sleep. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can a machine replicate the smooth, gentle ticking motions of a mother? Well, the MamaRoo has successfully replicated that motion to the point where the baby doesn't even notice the difference. The MamaRoo works in 5 different modes, which you can flip through until you find the configuration that is just right for your baby. The chair can also play relaxing sounds like wind chimes and wave noises. You can purchase this device at prices starting from $220. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.